Words ending in ate can be tricky for us Brazilians because the stress can vary depending on whether the word is a verb, a noun, or an adjective. We tend to rely on words we already know, such as ate, date, and late, where the ate ending is actually pronounced ate. For us, it would be natural to pronounce the ate ending in nouns and adjectives in the same way. When the word has one syllable, we do pronounce it as ate.
Fate, gate, mate, plate.
Now, in most two or more syllable nouns and adjectives, when the stress is not on the last syllable, the final ate is pronounced it. Listen to and repeat each word. Focus on the correct pronunciation of it.
Accurate. Certificate. Climate. Chocolate. Corporate. Delicate. Fortunate. Immediate. Private. Ultimate.
So in very short nouns, those with just one syllable, the ate ending is frequently pronounced ate.
Gate.
But in most two or more syllable nouns and adjectives, when the stress is not on the last syllable, the ate ending is pronounced it.
Chocolate.
Next time, let's focus on how to pronounce the final ate depending on the stress of the words.